I live in a typical English house in a quiet road where nothing extraordinary ever happens. In fact, all the houses in Privet Drive are almost identical, each with a perfectly tidy front garden, a driveway, and a roof with red tiles and a little chimney. The house I live in belongs to my uncle and aunt. It has 2 floors and 4 or 5 bedrooms, depending on how you count them. There's my uncle and aunt's bedroom, the guest bedroom, my cousin's first bedroom, my cousin's second bedroom for his old or broken toys, and my room, which is really a cupboard under the stairs. My room is the perfect place for a vacuum cleaner, broom, or dustpan and brush to live. It's not ideal for a 10-year-old boy, though. It's dark and narrow, and the ceiling is so low that I can't stand up properly. When people walk up and down the stairs, it's very noisy, and dust falls onto my bed. I'm afraid the bed is the only piece of furniture in the room. There isn't space for a wardrobe or a desk or a chest of drawers even. I share the room with some spiders, so I have some company at least, but I'd love to have a real pet when I'm older, maybe a bird. I don't spend much time in the other parts of the house. Downstairs, there is a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and a hall. I only go into them when I have chores to do, like washing the dishes or sweeping the floor. I also have to collect the letters that come through the letterbox and give them to my uncle, who likes to read them from his armchair next to the fireplace. The strange thing is that today, for the first time, there was a letter addressed to me in my cupboard under the stairs. But who could it be from?